noticed, just like me, a lot of people who like succulents still have those times wherein you accidentally kill a succulent. So I decided to make a video wherein I could talk and share my knowledge about succulent care. So yeah, I hope this video can help you guys take care of your succulent and have more succulent. So our tip number 1 is find a spot or a place or home for your succulent. Actually, this is one of the first thing that didn't came to my mind when I started my garden collection, because I just wanted to have them and I said I'm just gonna place them here. I didn't actually analyze the location of the place, but now, based on my experience, you need to have a home for your succulent, a place where they could get enough sunlight, protected from the rain so that they don't get overwatered. At the same time, they could get that sunlight, air that they need in order to survive. So before you buy your succulent, look at your house, look at your place. Where is the best spot for your succulent? Okay, when we transferred in our new place, most of my succulent died because they were in culture shock because of the place. It was too hot, there were no trees. In my old place, there were many trees, and I placed them in a spot where it was shady. At the same time, it could get morning sun. So kindly look at your place. If you're in your house right now, look around the outside of your house. Where is the spot that it could get sunlight, enough sunlight, it get filtered from the rain, like that. If it's inside, then make sure that it is near a window that can get the morning sun, like that. So kindly look a spot or a home for your succulent where it could grow and blossom. Number 2, you need to have a fast draining soil. Okay, soil medium is very important. My soil medium, like I said in the previous video, I have a 30% regular soil, whatever soil I can find here in our place, and 70% IPA or rice husk or rice hull, something like that. That's what they call it. So I just mix it together because the IPA allows the soil to be more loose and easy for the water to drain. And I know it sometimes it does hold the soil inside. It does hold the water inside, but not really that much, because at the same time I don't water them that often. So make sure that your soil medium is good. Some people add pumice, that's good. I have heard of read that they are very good for succulent, but the thing is I don't have pumice here in my place, so I will work with what I have, and what I have at the moment is IPA. So my my soil mixture is 70% IPA and 30% the regular soil we have here. Number 3 is pour water to your succulent generously but with schedule. Generously but with schedule. It means that if you're gonna pour water into it, just pour it a lot of water and then wait for it to drip in the bottom, then stop. And then pour a lot of water again and then stop, and then wait for it to drain, and that's it. But do not water it every day. They are succulent. It means they retain water inside. So if you're gonna water them every day, they would die from overwatering. Mine, I water them on regular days. It's just once a week, and it's every Sunday. On summer, like right now, I water them like every other day, or as long as the soil is dry, then I would water them. If you're the type of person who wants to water your succulents always, then I think you should start propagating. Because when you start propagating, you need to water the seedlings, the leaf, every day. And I repeat that, I am going to pour water. Do not spray, okay? Do not spray water in your succulent. That is not the amount of water they need. You need to pour water, not spray water. And then, next. The pot should have a drainage hole. I repeat, the pot should have a drainage hole. Okay, I have tried making a terrarium, and yes, it survived. It doesn't have a drainage hole, but it's one of my hardy succulents. That's why it was able to survive. But I think if it's another succulent, maybe that plant would have died. So the thing is, make sure that your pot has a hole, whether it's a terracotta or plastic pot, ceramic, or whatever it's made of. Make sure that it has a hole and the water would drain underneath it. Here's the thing, it depends upon the hole in the pot or the shape of the pot. You try to put the pot and then it's empty and then pour water into it. If the water drips fast, then that's the pot for you. That's a pot for your succulent. All of my succulents have big holes in it because I want the water to drip down. Okay, I'm gonna pour generously amount of water and then wait for it to drip. And once it drips all of the water, I will pour another set of water. That's how it is. So your pot should have a good drainage hole. Okay, because if there's stagnant water again, your succulent will die because of overwatering. Number 5 and the last one is make sure that your succulent has enough sunlight. Okay, make sure your succulent has enough sunlight. Again, we will go back to number 1. Find a spot for your succulent. My succulent right now have a good amount of sunlight. They can get from morning to afternoon sunlight or even the noontime sunlight. But it has a greenhouse. That's why it's safe because I could cover it. If it's like right now summer and it's very hot, then I could just cover it. But most of the time they would need like morning sunlight would be good enough. Okay, depends on your location, but mine, they are very well having all day sunlight. And that's the thing, you have to find a place for your succulent, which brings us back to number 1. Okay, so that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If you have more questions, then I will make another video and answer them. 5 care tips for your succulent. Okay, 5 succulent care tips. So just comment down below if you have any more questions, and I will try to answer them based on my knowledge and experience of taking care of succulents. Thank you for watching. Have a good day and keep safe, everyone. See you next time.